Okay, here we are. It's now time to start putting some stuff into our tables. Over here I've detailed sort of the generic way to insert something into a table. The way we do it is we type insert into, because we're going to add something into a table, and we'd say the table name and then any of the column names. So as an example, I would say insert into owners, and I would say name, and then I would go down and I would type values. And I can list any number of values that I want. Now, the only key here is that the values have to be inside parentheses, and they have to be separated by commas. So if I'm going to insert more than one thing at a time, so I will have to comma separate a set of parentheses. So here, right, into the owners, I can put myself, Matt, I could put somebody else, Josie, I could put a third person, Josh, like that. Then I could end this here, and we could actually see that this would work, right? And we get that we've inserted and had three things, none of which have been returned, but that three exist. We could check to make sure they exist, select star from owners, and we see that all the owners are here. If we want the new information to come back, we can add a returning clause, returning, and then we could list the properties that we want returned. I want the ID and I want the name all returned, right? And for this table, that's equivalent to returning star. So here, let's go ahead and write a different one. Carol, Joan, and cousin Mark. Come over here, I'm going to put this in, and we can see that in addition to inserting those three things, they actually returned it right away to us, the new things. This is a great way when you're making something new to be able to grab the ID of it or something like that, or specific properties off of it that you want. So you don't have to write a separate insert and select. So this is how we can insert stuff into there. Let's go ahead then and think about some pets that we can make, right? We have owner IDs now, right? We have 6 owners in the database. So let's go up to where our pets are. So I'll move this up here. And we'll say insert into pets. And let's see, things that are not null, name, breed, age, and owner ID, right? And it's super important that I put quotes around that, otherwise it won't be able to find that column name. Values, and then I need to start creating some comma separated lists. So I need, and it has to be, again, single quotes, Mr. Snuggles. This is a Roddy, who is 4 years old, and the owner ID, let's go ahead and give that to me, and then let's insert another one. Let's see, Jojo, this is a short hair cat, this is a 2-year-old, and it belongs to the person whose ID is 2. And then we could say returning, and I don't want to return everything here. I just want to do, I want to return the ID, the new ID that just came back, and the name. I don't really care about the other information. And actually, maybe let's do the owner ID. Let's go ahead and take this, try running it, see if I made any mistakes. Nope, okay. So you can see that I got back just the 3 pieces of information I asked for, where if I do go select star from pets, both of them are in here. The ages do exist. The breed does exist. It's just there's no, it didn't get returned to us because we didn't ask for it to be returned to us here in the insert. So that is the basics of inserting things into the database. Come back and we'll see how we can put together some more select clauses.